Hey everyone, I'm Chinmay Hegde. In this video, I will be talking about the 5 applications that I have been using as a college student and as a content creator. So I will be taking you through each and every app, and I will show you how I personally use all them and make my life in a productive manner. So that will help you to manage your time in a better way, and that will help you to become productive. So we will do all of that. You make sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel. So let's get started. So the first app in my list is going to be Notion. Okay, so Notion, if you don't know, it is the great tool that you can use basically to write down your notes and create lists and much more. So let's open the Notion. So this is how my Notion homepage looks like. I have like YouTube plan, task list, and journal, and YouTube uploading list. These are the 4 like templates I have been using. So if you are like new to Notion and you don't know how to use it, you get free templates. You can use them however you want. So as you can see, I'll show my YouTube plan. This is how I have planned. Okay, I will like list down all of the things I am going to do, and while creating a video, and task list, as you can see, I have mentioned like complete English chapter, and then upload video on Sunday, and I also write journal sometimes, that like day-to-day journal. So then the 4th one is YouTube uploading list. As you can see, the past videos I have already mentioned, and they are in the finished mode, and this video is still in shooting mode and is yet to be uploaded. So you can even select the date you want, and even mention the link of the video. So this is how it works, and as I said, you can use templates. Wait, I'll show you. Okay, this is my book list, and so this is where you can use templates. You can find many useful templates here. I also use this reading list. I use this reading list as my template. See, I have mentioned reading list in my book list as do a picture, and I have deleted it. You can delete and alter into anything. So that's all about Notion. So the second app is going to be Canva. These applications help me like to save a ton of time while making all the thumbnails and all the social media posts I create. And I have already made like 2 videos upon using Canva, and the first one is like how I have made a video on how to get Canva Pro for free, and the second video is upon like how to earn money through Canva on Fiverr. So go check it out. I have mentioned the link in description. So when it comes to using Canva, I'm using it like from past 2 years. This helps me to do all the thumbnails and social media posts with a drag and drop of mouse. As you can see, it provides all the like very essential and very creative templates, which you can change according to your needs. So that was the second one. Before we move on, so let's start with it. It would be great if you like this video and subscribe to this channel. It really helps me a lot, and it's completely free. So please do it, and thank you so much. So the third application I love to use is Spotify. Now a lot of people already use Spotify, but I use it in a little bit different way. I will just show you what I meant by that. I do 2 things on Spotify majorly. Okay, first is listening to podcast, and the second one is to listen audiobooks. So now when it comes to podcast, I majorly listen to some of them, and they are mentioned in the description, so go check it out. Like I listen to them while going on a walk or traveling on a bus, like that. And audiobooks are really useful, as you can just sit at one place and listen to them and write down your takeaway, like after a month or after 6 months after listening to all of that, you can just write down the takeaways. So now the book show and the rough note by RJ, this is like one of the best podcast or a podcast I listen to, and Voice with Varikutu, and I found all the books here. And I also love to listen to audiobooks, as I said before. So check this out. I have also mentioned the Spotify link in description. Go just download from that link. So now the fourth application that I love to use is Google Calendar. So let me show you how I like to use Google Calendar, and then you will understand why I am being productive right now. So this is how Google Calendar home looks like. Now the dates are mentioned, and whatever you need you can add. So let me show you. This is the, like, you can add the Google Meet video conferencing right here, add the link and the location and the members who are going to attend the class, and you can also put a notification that will send notification to you when the class is going to start, and it will send a notification to you before and half an hour. So this is how it can be done. So this makes you helps you to manage your time and to be productive. So now the fifth application that I love to use is going to be an investment application. Like there is no single app that I use for this, but there are multiple apps that I use. So the number one is going to be Zerodha, that I use for investing in stocks, and the secondly I have Grow app for investing in mutual funds. So that's it for today. I hope you really enjoyed the video, and I believe that this video will help you in some other way. So meet you in the next week with a new video. Until then, bye bye.